Hello, welcome to my channel Preschool Made Easy. Thanks for being here. In this video, I am showing super easy and unique decoration for Independence Day. This is square piece of glazed paper sheet. Just fold this half and cut fringes. This is very simple and it takes no time. This is almost done. Now unfold this paper. You will get like this. You can cut the fringes of many papers all together. Just like this. I cut these papers all together. Now take orange paper and apply glue on one side, but leave 1 inch from starting and paste this like the way I'm doing. Just leave around 1 inch of paper. This is how it is looking. Do the same with white and green paper also. Do the same with green. Don't forget to leave 1 inch paper. Apply glue on orange paper and roll this loosely. Hold the paper lightly and roll this. This is very simple. I apply glue on white paper and paste it over the orange, but leave around 1 centimeter of orange paper, then paste this white paper. Now take green paper, and you will need 2 green paper. Apply glue on this green fringe and paste it over the white. Remember to leave 1 centimeter of white paper, then stick this green. This is very simple and very easy to make this decoration. Continue pasting the second green fringe. This is ready, and now spread out all the colors. This is looking very unique and different. Now take a strip of glaze paper, divide it into 5 parts. One part will be around 13 centimeter. Make triangles and then cut these triangles with scissors. This is very easy and simple. You will get like this. Now fold this paper like we make folding fan. Now apply glue on the paper and secure the ends. Paste the ends of the paper and it will look like a flower. Now with a small piece of paper, cut a circle and paste this on the flower. I'm sticking on the back side also, and this is done. You can make it tricolor. This decoration looks very different, unique and beautiful, and this is very simple. You must try it out. If you have any problem, please do ask me in the comment box. If you like this video, please like and share with your friends and subscribe my channel for more creative videos. Thanks for watching.